Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Blake. I am a kidney doctor and I am the cooking doc, and I want to talk to you about having a safe Thanksgiving in 2020. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you never miss a new video or a new health tip. So we're coming upon the holiday season, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, Hanukkah, and this is the most important time during this whole COVID pandemic for us. And the last thing we want to do is to make it worse right when we're at the finish line. And Thanksgiving is a prime example of ways that COVID can spread. Having people indoors, eating together, masks off, coming from different pods, different areas of the country, different households, it is ripe for COVID spread. So let's talk about ways that we can do Thanksgiving and make it safe. Because let's make Thanksgiving fun. I don't want Thanksgiving to be thought of as a miserable time because we can't do the things that we've always done before. Let's think of Thanksgiving as our last stand together as we come to the finish line in 2021 of COVID, once we have more vaccines available and we can clamp down on the spread of this virus. So what does a safe Thanksgiving mean? That means, number one, if you can do it virtually, do it virtually. Keep your little pod together, your household, have small dishes at home, get your family on Zoom, have it a quiet, cozy Thanksgiving. Think of all that work that you're not going to have to do cooking for 20 people. Let's look on the bright side. It will be small, it will be cozy, it may be a little bit lonely, but that's okay because we want to make it through to 2021 and we want to make it through safely. Now, if you really need to see your family, and I know a lot of people really need to see their family, this has been a hard year. And Thanksgiving is the time where we all get together and we celebrate. But this is not the time to get together inside. And I know you're probably hearing conflicting informations from people on TV or on the internet. I've seen them too. And for the life of me, I can't understand them. You know, as a doctor and with elderly family members and lots of patients who are high risk, the last thing I want to do is have anybody exposed to this horrible, horrible virus. So please keep your Thanksgiving safe. And here's what I want you to do. Let's hashtag Safe Thanksgiving. So I want to see your pictures. I want to see your Zoom Thanksgiving pictures. I want to see your small turkeys, your individual dishes. I want to see your immediate family having Thanksgiving at home and not with the big group. I want to see the delicious food that you've made for everybody in your immediate family to eat. So send me your pictures, hashtag Safe Thanksgiving. I'm the cooking doc. We are going to get through this. We could see the finish line. Vaccines are coming. We are going to have a better 2021, especially the second half. We just have to get there. And if we aren't careful, a lot of people are not going to make it to the second half of 2021. So let's start planning next year's Thanksgiving, next year's holiday. Let's have a huge party next year. Let's just make sure we all get there safely and alive. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.